Hi everyone, I'm Arash from Viking Analytics, and I'm genuinely excited to share what my team has been working on. Many of our customers has been asking us for a solution that can help them to monitor the envelope spectrum. Enveloping is a signal processing technique, a kind of filter and zoom that is especially well suited to catch mechanical faults in their earliest stage. It is best known for bearing and gearbox fault detection, but many other faults that produces impact or modulation tend to show up in an envelope spectrum as well. The challenge is that for the targeted envelope detection, we often rely on information that often do not fully exist, especially for the balance of plant. Calculating bearing fault frequencies, for example, depends on knowing the exact bearing model and RPM. For gearboxes, we frequently missing tooth counts and internal kinematics. And even when we have this information, monitoring these specific frequencies for different faults is challenging. So we wanted something different, a generic envelope monitoring score. We talked with many vibration experts, and it became abundantly clear that across nearly all these faults, the early signature is the same. New peaks emerging in the envelope spectrum and growth in energy of those peaks, usually long before overall vibration level moves at all. So we developed a new envelope overall called envelope peak score. This score watches the envelope spectrum for the universal signature, new peaks, and growing energy of these peaks, without needing any kinematic information at all. Let us take a look at an example together. Here you can see an animation of envelope spectrum over time. As you can see, at some point in the middle of this data set, new peaks start to appear, and the energy of these peaks is starting to grow. Wouldn't it have been ideal to have an overall that captured this without you needing to click on every spectrum? In the second animation, you're looking at the same envelope spectrum in the top and our new envelope score in the bottom. You can see it captures appearance of new peaks and grows quickly when energy of these peaks is starting to grow. But having a good trend is only half of the job. Setting the right threshold on any KPI is hard, and those thresholds drifts over time. And we wanted to stay true to our core, thresholdless vibration monitoring. In this third animation, I'm going to show you how we paired this new score with an automated trend change detector. You will see a marker soon appear on the trend, which shows where our automated detector flags a change on its own and raises an alert. No human set threshold involved. You don't need to anymore worry about monitoring your envelope. We have fully automated it for you. We believe envelope peak score and automated detection we have introduced is a meaningful step toward catching signs of fault appearing in envelope early. If you're curious to learn more detail about our envelope peak score, stay tuned. I'm going to break it down in my next post. Thank you.